English and you supporting Pakistan.
Yeah, my husband is Pakistani.
Where he
There
gone?
he is. He's there.
Okay, come here, Mr. Pakistani. But he looks like English.
He does, but he's not.
Oh, you're from
जी सर
Pakistan?
जी बिल्कुल
Where?
कराची ओरिजिनली
कराची से?
जी, जी, जी।
अच्छा, तो आपकी जो मिसेज शी इज इंग्लिश,
she is English, yeah.
तो वो तो पाकिस्तान का सपोर्ट कर रही हैं,
बस देखें
तो उनको आपने जबरदस्ती से
I don't speak it,
By
sorry.
force?
Am I forcing you?
No.
really by heart.
No, yeah. This is my uncle and my auntie and my cousins.
ओके, तो
and
इन्होंने
stuff.
कितनी दफा पाकिस्तान का दौरा किया है भाभी ने?
एक दफा आई है शादी हुई हमारे वहाँ पे
पाकिस्तान में?
जी, जी, जी।
ओके, you like Pakistan?
Yeah, I loved it. It was
Some
wonderful.
few words about Pakistan.
It was wonderful. We got married there in December 21.
Which city?
We went to Islamabad.
Islamabad.
Yeah.
Okay, you
Yeah.
went to Margala Hills?
Yes, and we went. What was the restaurant for New Year's Eve?
Oh, what is it?
Oh, that is Manal.
Yeah, we went to
yes,
Manal
Yeah,
for
on
New
top of
Year's
the
Eve.
hills.
Yeah.
People good, Pakistan?
Yeah, it was wonderful. People were very friendly and very welcoming, and it was
Okay.
wonderful.
But today too many English people here.
Not
They
too
will
many,
ask you
but
what.
Including
including
our
my
family.
family.
Okay. You are supporting Pakistan?
England.
England. Okay. And you?
He's supporting England.
Oh no.
Yeah.
England.
And she's Pakistan.
Dill, Pakistan, Pakistan.
Say again.
Dill, Pakistan, Pakistan.
Your husband should be Pakistani.
He should be, but sadly
But he's not
English.
Pakistani,
No,
he's English.
we've got Bilal.
There you go.
We've got Bilal.
Okay, thank you so much for
thank
support
you.
Pakistan. Okay? Thank you so much. You are our Babi of Pakistan.
Oh, but yeah, if we do,
Yeah.
we do.
Come next
we
time.
don't have them yet, but
Come next time to Pakistan. We will invite you in Suno News
yeah,
office.
we're going.
We
in
will
Easter.
welcome you warmly.
Thank you. Yeah.
100%.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.